start making our holiday cards. Grab your favorite holiday background stamp and your craft paper and just ink it up in a nice solid black. Here we're going to have a nice panel all stamped up that we're going to cut into two pieces, one for the outside, one for the inside. Since we're using a black card base, you want to use something that you can write your message on, and so here we just took a craft piece of paper and applied that stamped image. We're going to take the second stamped piece and put it on the outside. We did a die cut circle, 3-inch die cut, and that's where we're going to stamp our sentiment. A nice solid holly jolly for this one. Now we're going to apply that to the front of our card with some foam squares. Look how simple. Just put that panel on to write your message and you are complete. A simple, nice card to send those you love.